Hello everyone. So first of all, my name is Abdul and in this video we'll talk about the indexing, manipulating, and assigning in Pandas. Okay, so let's start our video. So let's talk about indexing first. So basically, indexing in Pandas is like when we retrieve data using labels to a position with the ilog for labels and I log for labels and ilog for integer positions. Now here you can see if I create some data, some sample data here with the data where I assign the values like keep the name value like as Slice, Mob, and Charlie, and then ages like 25, 30, 35, and then the city, New York, English, and Chicago. Okay, so now I create some data frame with it. Now it will look like it will look like this. Now you can see it will look like that. Where you can get the column of name, age, and the city column of city. Okay, so now if I use ilog.city and df.ilog.city, I will say get the city value. But if I use if I use df.log city, then I have to assign the label here. Now I can city for ilog. Now I will get the first city. But if I want to get the city in the ilog form, then I will get the value this. How I will assign the position I want this city. Okay, so it will give me that city. So both are different. Like in log we use the label like city, and in ilog we use the number or index number. Okay, so yeah, this is the basic intro. Let's see more example about this. First we will see about the log, and then we will see about the ilog. Okay, so first is log. Basically in log, now I can see the same value here. Now if I use ilog div ilog for one, I will get the first position of the index where I get the name Bob. Now it is the name Bob is the first index number, and then we will get the city where he lives and how old is he. Okay, so if I use the like if I use df log or 2, then I will get the index 2 value of Charlie, whose age is 35, 30. Now I will get that value. But now I only use one data, that's why I got only the first page. So second above value. Okay. If I use that zero, then I will get the lice value, lice age and city. Okay. So now here I can also get only the city if I want. So I can use df.log.one. I will get the first position, and then I will get the city, and then it will give me the Los Angeles. One is the index number, and I add the index number one, so I will get the Los Angeles city. And if I name here name, then I will get the name of Bob, and if I write the age, then I will get the name, or then I will get the age 30. Okay, so this is the label based indexing for LOC. LOC. Now let's see the INO. Okay, so now as you already know, it is integer based indexing, so it will get the value by doing indexing like 1 to 3. There is no labels here. Okay, so now it's same is there the same value. If I use the I log for one, now I get the same value for the first position. But if I want to get city, then I will not assign the like I do in the labels of the log, but I have to use the index number 2, so I will get nothing. Now I cannot assign city, it will get the error. So basically ilog and the log have this is the basic difference between ilog and log. There we use the index number, and there we use the labels. Okay, so yeah, in Pandas we will get the values by using the index, by using creating the index with Pandas. So basically in Pandas we do the indexing like this. We can also do the simple indexing like one, but then we only get the one value in the list. But in Pandas there the data flow, so we want to get the first data, then we use the first like this. Okay, so yeah, indexing in Pandas is like this: log and ilog. Choose use anyone you like the most, like ilog or log. Okay, so yeah, after that let's see the manipulating. How can we manipulate the Pandas data frame using methods? Okay, so like we can use the method like dot drop, dot rename, dot shift value, dot apply, and dot group by. We already seen some of these examples. Now, if you use the drop, then it will drop the value of city, and if like a first example, it will drop city value. This is one is like a one for okay. Now I can see that if idea or name, then you rename the value of a name to full name, and then you can sort the value by using a sort. It will sort the value with the edges by edges. Okay. Yeah, this is the basic operation you will know by the. But let me show you some examples of it. So here is the first example. I am using the same data as I used in the indexing. So now here if I want to rename the name to full name, then I use the df dot rename column. The column I want to rename, and then name, and then will I use the column two dots, and then I will write the new name I want to create. So here I get I will change the name to the full name. Now I can see the value. If I check the real name, then I will check now the name is just changed into the full name. Okay, so then now if you want to uh, drop the city, you don't want to see the city, then you use the your dot and city. It will drop the city. Now you can see the output, and there is no city here. Okay, so you can do this with pandas. Now let's see few more examples. Now here you can sort the values by edges by using a deer dot sort values, and then by age, then we sort the value by age. Now you can see 25, 30, 35 edges, and the value is based on this. Also you can apply other functions into your data frame. Like here I use the lambda function to multiply to use the multiplication, and then you can see the months. I use the function, and it will change the age into the months. Okay, where you can see the months. Okay, so after that we can also group the city by, and we get take the mean of it by using the algorithm, and you can see how to get the mean of the edges. Okay, so after that let's see the assigning in pandas. Okay, so assigning in pandas. Well, assigning in pandas is basically when data frame use columns assigned like d dot column dot value and to update or create new column. When we want to create and update a new value, like if we want to change the value to another value, then we assign it to the another value. Basically, this is basically mean the changing one value to another value. Okay, so let's see how can we do that in pandas. So first, like always, we are using the same data. Now, if we want to add the cities into it, we can add simply using the air dot city, and then we see the city, and then we print and we get the cities here. Like if you remove the city and you want to add the cities again, you can do this. Okay. So after that, you can add the edges too if you want to add the edges like these into the data frame. And after also you can add the edges like if someone is if you want to see who are the senior, like in age 13 plus, and you can senior, and then you will print the seniors here. Okay, so yeah, this was the basic about the indexing, manipulating, and assigning in pandas. I hope you liked it, and if you like it, please consider supporting me. And also, I will add the link in the description of the repo of my GitHub where you can get more code and examples and practice. And also, you can see the explanation there. I will explain more briefly with the comments and show you what each line do. So please check that out, and it have the resources too for more explanatory code. Okay, so please check it out, and thanks for watching. I will see you in the later video. Bye and thank you.